Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Pantex K-50, a rugged and versatile DSLR that's been popular among photography enthusiasts since its release. Design and build quality. The Pantex K-50 features a robust, weather-sealed body, which is quite rare for DSLRs in its price range. It is dust-proof and weather-resistant, making it a great choice for outdoor and adventure photography. The camera feels solid in your hands with a comfortable grip, and its body is made from a durable magnesium alloy. Sensor and image quality. The Pantex K-50 sports a 16.3 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which delivers sharp and detailed images. While it doesn't have the newest sensor tech compared to current models, it still performs very well in good lighting conditions. Video capabilities. The K-50 shoots full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second. While it's not a dedicated video camera, it does a decent job capturing video for casual use. The video autofocus is contrast detection based and can be a bit slow or noisy during focusing. Battery life is quite good, rated at around 480 shots per charge, which is above average for an APS-C DSLR in this category. Overall, the Pantex K-50 is a fantastic DSLR for outdoor enthusiasts, beginners, and budget-conscious photographers who want a durable camera that delivers good image quality and creative features. Its weather sealing and in-body stabilization set it apart in this price range. Thank you so much.